Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the planet's iciest and most mysterious body of water, the Arctic Ocean. You might think it's just a vast frozen wasteland, but trust me, the secrets hidden beneath its icy surface will absolutely blow your mind. So grab a warm drink, get cozy, and let's explore 10 unbelievable facts about the top of the world. Ready for fact number 1. The Arctic Ocean is actually the smallest and shallowest of all 5 oceans. It's like the baby brother of the ocean family. Its average depth is just over 1,000 meters. To put that in perspective, the Pacific Ocean is, on average, 4 times deeper. But don't let its size fool you. What it lacks in depth, it makes up for in mystery. Speaking of mystery, let's talk ice. While we picture the Arctic as being completely frozen, that's not the whole story. Yes, a huge portion is covered by ice year-round, but there's always liquid water moving beneath it. Plus, during the summer, large areas of ice melt completely, creating vast stretches of open sea. It's a dynamic, ever-changing environment, not just a static sheet of ice. And where there's water, there's life. The Arctic Ocean is home to some of the most unique and resilient creatures on Earth. We're talking about the legendary narwhals, often called the unicorns of the sea for their long tusks. You'll also find playful beluga whales and, of course, the majestic polar bears who depend on the sea ice for hunting. Even stranger, there are species that have adapted to the freezing darkness by learning to glow, a phenomenon known as bioluminescence. Imagine that a light show happening right under the thickest ice. Now, for a more serious note. Fact number 4 is a critical one. The Arctic is warming faster than any other ocean on the planet. Due to climate change, it's heating up at a rate 4 times the global average. This rapid warming is causing the sea ice to melt at an alarming speed. While this is opening up new shipping routes, it poses a catastrophic threat to the incredible wildlife that calls the ice home. Think the Himalayas are impressive? Well, the Arctic has its own hidden mountain range. Submerged beneath the icy waters lies the Lomonosov Ridge, a colossal underwater mountain chain stretching for 1,800 kilometers. It's a massive geological feature, nearly the size of the Himalayas, completely hidden from our view. It really makes you wonder what other secrets are lying on the ocean floor. Let's get back to that ice for a moment, because its scale is truly hard to comprehend. In some parts of the Arctic, the sea ice can be up to 5 meters thick. That's as tall as a 2-story building. And that's just the ice floating on the surface. The icebergs that break off from glaciers are even more massive, with huge portions hidden underwater, towering like icy skyscrapers beneath the waves. Here's a geographical twist for you. Technically speaking, the Arctic Ocean is classified as a Mediterranean Sea. I know, it sounds weird, right? But a Mediterranean Sea is simply a sea that's largely enclosed by land. The Arctic is connected to the much larger Atlantic Ocean only through a few narrow straits, effectively making it a giant basin of water trapped between North America, Europe, and Asia. This small ocean plays a gigantic role in keeping our planet cool. Think of the Arctic as Earth's air conditioner. Its bright, white ice reflects a huge amount of sunlight back into space, helping to regulate global temperatures. This is known as the albedo effect. If too much of that ice melts, the darker ocean water will absorb more heat, creating a feedback loop that could dramatically accelerate global warming. For centuries, explorers dreamed of a shortcut connecting the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans through the Arctic, the legendary Northwest Passage. For a long time, it was just a myth, an impassable maze of ice. But now, due to the melting ice we talked about, the Northwest Passage is becoming a reality. Ships are beginning to navigate this route during the summer, a clear and startling sign of how rapidly our world is changing. And for our final mind-bending fact, scientists have discovered methane gas bubbling up from the ocean floor. Trapped beneath the Arctic seabed are enormous deposits of frozen methane, a potent greenhouse gas. As the ocean warms, This permafrost is beginning to thaw, allowing some of that methane to escape. This discovery is a huge concern, as a large-scale release could have a massive and unpredictable impact on our planet's climate. And there you have it, 10 incredible facts that show the Arctic Ocean is so much more than just ice and snow. It's a fragile, fascinating, and critically important part of our world. I hope you found that as amazing as I did. If you enjoyed this journey to the top of the world, please hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into our incredible planet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.